Yes, whenever you're ready.
Hi, my name is Sonny, and in my speech, I'll be talking about renting movies and, well, the difference about renting movies and watching movies at the movie theaters. My main claim in my speech is I believe that renting movies have more advantages than going to the movie theaters. I'll support this by using two secondary claims. One is that home videos are cheaper than theater films, and two, that rental movies give the consumer more control over the experience. I want to start off by mentioning the advantages of going to the movie theaters. First is that the movie theaters have the big screens, and second is that you can only see the latest movies at the movie theaters. Now, using my secondary claims, I will verify to you that movie renting has the advantage compared to theater viewing. To remind you guys that my second claim is that movie rentals are much cheaper than theater films. When you go to the movies, you buy a ticket, which you can just watch one movie with. And there's also added expenditure of buying the food for yourself. According to Nick Watt, a writer for NBC News, the average cost of a movie ticket is about $12, and the average cost of food such as popcorn from the concession stand is about $5. Now let's move into movie renting. When you want to rent a movie, there's a lot of places you can go to rent movies. And one option is a movie rental store like Blockbuster or Hollywood Video, which can cost you about $2.50 per movie. And another option is you go to Albertsons because they carry the movie rental machine that lets you rent a movie for $1 a night. So if you can compare these numbers, it's obvious that renting movies is cheaper than theater viewing. And it also leads me to my next point that renting movies online can save you money because instead of buying one-day ticket worth $12 at the movie theater, you can buy a month-long plan at Netflix or any other online renting store. And you can also save gas money because the whole trip to get to the movie theaters costs gas. And this leads me to my secondary claim that movie rentals give the consumer more control over the experience. Well, basically this means that the person has control over everything. He's going to be able to stop, pause, rewind, or fast forward the movie whenever he wants to, and the consumer also has the power to make the environment to whatever he pleases it to be. Like, for example, you can turn on the lights, which you can never do at the movie theaters, or you can make a lot of noise or something like that. And another advantage is that you can eat something that can never be attained at the concession stand. And the most significant advantage is that you can watch the movie anytime and anywhere you want to. So, before I finish, I want you guys to think about something for a second. Like, since the movie theaters have the big screens, doesn't our TV have the HD, so it's like much clearer? And since the latest movies are only shown at the movie theaters, don't they always come out on DVDs and something, which you can rent when it comes out? So we got over the wait when the movie was coming out, so why can't we just wait for it to come out on DVD? And so I conclude my speech by saying that movie rentals have much more advantages compared to theater viewing because it's cheaper and we get more control. Thank you.